Hey guys, we will be installing a new cabin air filter. Well, this is the old one. I'm just going to show you really quick how to do it. You just basically pop this down, take everything you have in here, take it out, everything. Oh yeah. Back to this quest. All you do is, you see that tab right here, this tab with this long lanky thing. You push up a little on your glove box and you just pop it off, no problem. And the power with two hands or just sheer willpower. There's two tabs on both ends. I'm sorry, this is. So there's a tab here and then there's a tab right over here. And you just push both ends until it drops. It dropped on my knee. And it just comes off. And from here, you can see that the air filter is right there. 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs. You just pull on both ends. Pull it like you have a dream. You have a dream. Oh, you can do it with one hand. You basically pull it out. Make sure once you put in the new one, this is my new one. This is the up and the down. Well, it doesn't. I don't think it really fits if you do it the other way. And just swap out, reinsert the new one, or insert the new one, not reinsert. Just wait for a click. And pull ends, that way you know it's clipped in. Make sure and now you're going back to do everything in reverse. Just make sure that these two ends are lined up, so when you put everything back, it's not an issue. You could go for this first if you want. Just push up a little. You just push in, won't go anywhere, and you push up, and you're done. And with yourself being done, just put everything back the way you found it. Other than that, yeah, that's pretty easy. The part number here is this. I'll also link it in the descriptions, that way it's easy for you guys. And yeah, one thing I will have to note, that I was using the tripod I always use, but weirdly enough, yeah, it broke apart. Kind of a pain. Well, I did pay like 10 bucks for it, so it's not too bad. It lasted me a month. So 10 bucks for a month. Is it worth it? It's up to you. If you want to use a GoPro tripod, try to find a same top. And yeah, other than that, there's nothing else besides just put in your old one into this box, or recycle this box, and just throw these out later when you have the chance. Yeah, I'll catch you guys later next week. Bye bye, have a good day.